My plan here is to make a little door and be able to put charcoal in there to create a little heater. This is going to be the target. I'll show you why. Here's my greenhouse. It's in the background sometimes, but inside, take a look. A couple years ago during Uri, it got so cold that we had a brownout, and I lost most of the plants even in the greenhouse because I depended on electric heat for the additional heat. So my plan here is to make a little door and be able to put charcoal in there, and it'll be perforated enough. I'll probably be able to create a little heater that I could put in here. I don't need to worry about the fumes because the plants like the carbon dioxide. Using the Benjamin Marauder and the red flight pellet, a big pellet. There's a 22 short, about 2/3 the size of a 22 short. And when I run down on pressure, I will switch over to my second hardest hitter, probably my Benjamin Marauder. So we will use the Raider probably to fill in a couple holes. So we're going to be shooting the can at 20 yards with the lead sled here. It's kind of like can cutting, except it's penetrating a lot heavier can. I think we're on. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be just up and down the line, because I think it's going through at 20 yards. I don't want it to go all the way through. There, that one was on the line. I switched out to the slider Benjamin Marauder, and I'm just going to fire the previously shown pellets. This is the reason why I went to 20 yards. Marauder, I probably could have stuck to 25 yards easily. In fact, it went through on about 3 or 4 pellets. It looks like it's not going to penetrate, but we shall see. I will keep firing at that line. Hard to tell. Well, I can see right there one that didn't go all the way through. Next step is finish the cutting part up. I'll put hinges on the little door later. I'm using a 7/32 bit. works with the drill press too, people. So that should give you an idea that this isn't real thin metal. I got enough along that line that I could cut with my Dremel cutter. And it should cut from hole to hole fairly quickly. That's the reason why you really couldn't realistically do just a total can cutting, because just one sliver will hold this in. So what do you think, guys? That's pretty cool, huh? The project's complete. You can see it there in the background. Here, let me show you real quick. See, finished product. And I just put the charcoal in there, then close the door. We've had the venting here, and it should work. And in fact, I'm probably going to make a second one just like it, off video. I'd say it worked out pretty well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press the like button, drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, consider that too.